Hi. We're in Toronto Pearson International Airport, and tonight we're flying to Bangkok in Qatar's award-winning business class with a layover in Doha. So we're doing Toronto to Doha in the Qsuites, and then we're doing Doha to Bangkok on the standard business class.
Yeah, we're so excited. We heard so much about Qatar business class experience, especially their Qsuites. I know their service is supposed to be amazing in any business class, their food, their service, but is Qsuites really that much better than their standard business class? Let's find out. We headed to our seats, 1E and 1F. They're the center seats with a divider that can be lowered for extra coziness.
The crew introduced themselves and welcomed us with a refreshing drink, followed by champagne and some light snacks. Cheers to takeoff!
Let's talk about these Qsuites. They're incredible. Sliding doors for full privacy, turning your seat into your own little suite in the sky.
Fully lie-flat bed, plenty of storage, a massive 22-inch screen, a big sturdy table perfect for working or dining together. Multiple charging ports, and even a TV remote. Tons of legroom too. We had so much space to stretch out.
Time for dinner.
The food and drink menus are extensive. Something for everyone.
We started with a drink and amuse-bouche.
Then dove into starters, delicious mezze platter with pita bread, hummus, mutabal, and tabbouleh. And look at these cute little olive oil bottles.
For mains, I had chicken with ricotta and potato gnocchi. The sauce was so soft and creamy.
And I had the lobster tail and jasmine rice, garlic, bok choy, and sugar snap peas.
We couldn't resist a cheese platter. And even though we were stuffed, we made room for dessert. Pure indulgence.
There are tons of entertainment options on that huge screen. Movies, shows, games. But the best part? Super fast Starlink Wi-Fi at no extra charge.
We also got amenity kits. Lotion, face cream, lip balm, facial spray, eye mask, socks, earplugs. Such a nice touch. Pajamas were provided too. Time to change into something comfy. Good night from 35,000 feet.
We woke up refreshed and ready for breakfast before landing. Started with coffee and a detox juice, followed by a fresh fruit platter and a little basket of butter croissants, sweet brioche, and double chocolate muffin.
For the main course, we both had the mushroom omelette with chicken sausage. Then it was time to pack up and get ready for landing.
And just like that, 14 hours flew by. We touched down in Doha. Welcome to Doha.
As soon as we got off the plane, we stepped into the orchard, this massive 6,000 square meter indoor tropical garden.
There are over 300 trees and 25,000 plants. A huge water feature. It's so peaceful and relaxing, we could have spent the entire layover here. But we wanted to check out the business lounge. Let's go!
There are two. We picked the South Lounge since it was closer to our next gate. It was a nice 15 minutes walk through the terminal.
The lounge is huge, over 10,000 square meters, and has two levels. On the main level, there are plenty of seating areas, drink stations, and a small restaurant.
Upstairs is the main restaurant area with a la carte menu. We grabbed a quick drink and a snack, and it was time to catch our next flight.
This time in regular business class on the massive A380. We both had window seats 21A and 22A, and wow, these are super comfortable and spacious. Reverse herringbone layout with direct aisle access, tons of storage, a big screen, and all the charging options you need. Amenities were also the same as the previous flight. Pillows, blankets, pajamas with slippers, noise-cancelling headphones, and exactly the same toiletry kit. Entertainment was the same, but no complimentary Starlink Wi-Fi on this flight. Paid option was available.
The food and drink menu were similar to Qsuite's flight, but with some minor differences. We both started with mezze platter again. The dips were different this time, but equally delicious.
We decided to skip the mains and go straight to the cheese platter. And for dessert, a warm hazelnut brownie with chocolate sauce and vanilla ice cream. It was absolutely divine. Then it was time for the real highlight, the onboard lounge in the sky. This is one of the largest and most impressive in the industry. Even though our seats aren't together, we could easily walk up and hang out together. We grabbed some champagne, chatted with the friendly bar attendant and other passengers, and snapped photos. It felt luxurious, like a first class or private jet experience. Definitely the highlight of this flight.
After all that fun, it was time to rest. The bed was as comfortable as Qsuite's. Without the sliding door, it felt more spacious and open. Super restful.
After a light breakfast, it was time to pack up and get ready to land.
So, what do we think? Is Qsuite's that much better?
Business class on the A380 doesn't have the private suites feel or free Starlink, but it brings that incredible onboard lounge. But even without a lounge, the service and food still brings pure luxury from Qatar Airways.
Which do you prefer, the privacy of Qsuite or A380 lounge? Let us know, and thanks for watching. Safe travels!